If you're launching an online course or building a digital product businesses in 2025, you've probably come across Teachable and Podia. Both are popular platforms, but which one is actually the best for you? In this video, I'll walk you through both platforms and that starting with Teachable, then Podia, and finishing with a clear side-by-side comparison and my honest recommendation based on your goals. Teachable is an online course platform built specifically for instructors and educators. It launched in 2014 and by 2025 it powers thousands of creators teaching everything from tech skills to yoga. Teachable offers a structured drag and drop editor for building lessons. You can add videos, text, quizzes, PDFs, audio files, and assignments. One standout feature is graded quizzes and course compliance. You can make students pass a test before accessing the next section. You can also issue completion certificates, a big plus for professional or academic content. Teachable offers simple themes with limited visual customization. You can tweak colors and logos, but advanced changes require HTML or CSS. Landing pages are basic unless you use third-party tools like lead pages. Overall, design is functional but not flashy. It has support coupons, bundles, upsells, and affiliate marketing. No built-in email system. You'll need to connect with ConvertKit or MailChimp. Checkout pages are fast and secure, and advanced sales analytics are included on the pro and business plans. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The free plan is 5% transaction fees, which is limited features. The basic is $39 per monthly, which included unlimited courses, still 5% fees. And the pro is $119 per month, which removes fees, add quizzes, certificates, affiliate system. And the business is $299 per month, which has advanced tools for bigger teams. The best value starts at Pro, especially if you need no transaction fees and full course features. Now, there are student experience. It has a clean dashboard that tracks progress. It is mobile-friendly player, offline viewing via iOS or Android app. It comments under each lesson, and certificates feel official and customizable. Now, the support and payment. It supports Stripe and PayPal payouts, offer instant payouts on Pro, and customer support available via email and live chat depending on plan. SSL security, VAT handling, and analytics built in. Teachable is perfect if you want structured professional courses, if you need quizzes, certificates, or graded content, and if you already use external email or community tools. If you're focused heavily on formal teaching, Teachable gives you serious tools. One thing you'll love about Teachable is its focus on scaling. If you're planning to build out a full online school with multiple instructors, it's got the infrastructure for it. You can assign course authors, set up revenue sharing, and even manage bulk enrollments, perfect for businesses or academic institutions. Plus, Teachable's checkout process is localized for global users. Now, let's move on to Podia. What is Podia? Podia is an all-in-one platform designed for creators selling courses, digital downloads, coaching, and memberships. It launched in 2014 and now one of the most streamlined options in 2025. It has a simple drag and drop editor, supports video, audio, text, files, and drip content. No quizzes or certificate built in. You'll need third-party tools if you need tests. You can bundle courses and digital downloads for one-time or recurring sales. It offers flexible pricing, including pay what you want. Now, let's talk about design and branding. It has a built-in visual site editor, no coding needed. It has modern landing pages, blogs, and storefronts in one place. Customized colors, fonts, logos, page sections. Podia also includes blogging, which Teachable lacks. Now, about its marketing and sales tool, it has a built-in email marketing, newsletters, drip campaigns, sales automation, affiliate program on Shaker and above, coupons, product bundles, one-click upsells. It supports Stripe and PayPal. Embeddable checkouts for external sites. Now, what about the pricing? Mover is $39 per month, which includes core features, courses, downloads, no fees. Shaker is $79 per month, ads, memberships, email marketing, affiliates. Earthquaker is $199 per month, advanced design control, white labeling. Podia has no transaction fees, even on the lowest plan, which is a big value. Let's talk about community and engagement. Built-in community chat works like a private Facebook group inside your course. You can create topics, threads, and direct member posts, great for creators who want a hub without relying on Facebook or Discord. It has 24/7 email and live chat on all plans. User dashboard is slick and intuitive. Everything in Podia is simple and distraction free. Another strong feature of Podia is the simplicity of managing everything in one dashboard. From your sales emails to digital product delivery, even your landing page and blog, it's all right there. If you're a solo creator or a small team, this removes the need for extra subscriptions like ConvertKit, WordPress, or Kajabi. So, who should use which? Choose Teachable if you're building academic structured courses. You need quizzes, certifications, and course compliance. You're okay using third party email or community tools. Choose Podia if you sell courses and digital downloads or coaching. You want an all in one system with built in email and community tools. You want simple pricing and great design without technical setup. Many creators start with Podia for simplicity and later move to Teachable if they need formal course tools. Both Teachable and Podia are amazing tools, but they serve slightly different goals. If you're looking for polished, traditional online education with tests and credentials, Teachable is the better choice. But if you're building a modern creator business with coaching, courses, digital products, and memberships, Podia gives you more flexibility and saves money. If you want an all in one creator business digital downloads, coaching, email, and community in one place, go with Podia, a professional learning platform with certificates, quizzes, and a focus on education structure. Teachable is your best bet. Also, keep in mind your tech comfort level. Podia has no code, fast setup, very user friendly. Teachable is powerful features but slightly more technical. That wraps up our full breakdown of Teachable versus Podia in 2025. Both are amazing tools. It just depends on what kind of creator or educator you want